Hello, beautiful peeps! I went to PAWA, Philippine Association of Wellness and Aesthetics, second convention, and this is my second year of renewal of my membership as well. That is TESDA Secretary Jose Francisco Kiko Benitez, conferred by Royal Institute Singapore as Honorary Fellow. And ito na nga, mga beautiful peeps. Siyempre, may global recognition din ang PAWA at isa tayo sa nabigyan ng recognition. Ito yung International Certification Level 3 for Esthetician. Alam nyo ba, ang sarap ng feeling. Bakit? Kasi alam kong pinaghirapan ko to. At ito pa, syempre, merong pinning ceremony din at giving ng certification membership. Bakit? Kasi every year ginagawa po nila yan, lalo na sa mga member. So this is my second year. At nakakatuwa naman, medyo nagchika-chika pa kami dyan. Kahit nasa stage kami, tingin na lang nila sa akin. Basta ako, happy ako. Bakit? Kasi nakita nila may previous pin ako on my first year. And then second year, yes, another pinning yun. Kaya wala, medyo chika lang ng konti. Natuwa sila sa akin. So yun, continuous membership tayo dyan. Legit tayo, legit trainer, aesthetic training center. And also, meron silang fellowship nights. Hindi lang talaga ako nagtagal dyan, umuwi na ako. Kasi, alam nyo naman, meron tayong anak na naghihintay. So, kailangan natin umuwi na ng maaga. So, yan lang po. Thank you. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you sa pag-support nyo lagi.